You're waiting months to hear from your attorney to determine whether or not you have a valid medical malpractice case. Now the fateful day is here and your attorney calls you and tells you, "I'm sorry, I can't help you." You want to know why not? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and let me tell you why the attorney has now told you that he can't help you. In order to determine if you have a valid medical malpractice case here in New York, we have to get a qualified medical expert, typically a board-certified medical expert, to determine, number one, whether there was any wrongdoing, whether a doctor or hospital staff was careless, and number two, whether that carelessness was a cause of your injury. And number three, how significant are your injuries? Are they permanent? Are they disabling? And all three of those things have to be confirmed by a medical expert who's reviewed all of your records, who can now confirm, yes, there's wrongdoing, yes, the wrongdoing caused you injury, and yes, the injury is significant and or permanent. Only then can an attorney in New York go ahead and start your lawsuit for medical malpractice. If any one of these elements is missing, then an attorney is not permitted to go ahead and file a lawsuit on your behalf. Why? Because the law requires us to have a medical expert or a treating doctor confirm each one of those things. So that is really the gatekeeper, and the gatekeeper determines whether or not you have a valid basis for a case. It's not the attorney. It's not like a car accident case where you get hit in the rear and now the next day you can go to a lawyer's office and start a lawsuit against the careless driver who hit you. It doesn't work like that in malpractice cases. So now, in a malpractice case, we have to accumulate all of your medical records and then review all of them and then send it off to our expert. It's going to take him a number of weeks or months to fully evaluate. Plus, many of these cases require more than one expert to evaluate your case. Many times we'll have 2, 3, and sometimes even more. As I stated at the beginning of this video, the attorney who reviewed your case tells you now, "I'm sorry, I can't go forward with your case." Why? Because the expert that we had review your records tells me there's no valid basis. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what an attorney looks for, what we have to do in order to properly evaluate whether or not you have a valid case here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. What I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.